In this video, we are going to look at how to connect your Certainly chatbot to your Sunshine Conversations application. First, navigate to the chatbot you want to connect and open the Bot Settings menu on the right side of the screen. Then, open the Channels tab and finally click on Sunshine Conversations. Click on Connect with Sunshine and log in into the Zendesk Subdomain link to your Sunshine Conversations application. Zendesk will prompt a permission dialog. Select the Allow option. Once the permissions have been granted, the last step you need to take is to configure your switchboard. To configure the switchboard, you will need an active set of API key ID and secret. You obtain them by opening your Sunshine Conversations dashboard and navigating to the Settings tab of the application you have connected to Certainly. Scroll down to the API Keys section and copy both your API ID and your API secret. If you do not have an existing set, you can click on Create New API Key. Finally, paste the API ID and secret you copied in the relevant fields on Certainly, and click on Configure My Switchboard. That is all. You have successfully connected your Certainly chatbot to Sunshine Conversations.